If I'm lifting heavy, please keep in mind this is my workout too. So this way I don't have to work out 3 times a day. I have been reading a lot about fitness group trainers this weekend. Actually, I was reading a lot last night. And a lot of group trainers shared that sometimes they don't like their job because they're training other people and it becomes about the other people and not about themselves. And since I have been training a group of you for over a year, I can see how that can happen. And so I don't want that to happen to me. So please understand, I want to do my workout for me. So that way I also push you to do the workout. So whatever equipment you have, you're gonna do the workout to your fitness level with the equipment that you have and modify so that way this becomes your workout, right? This is why also the Eat Your Way to Fit plan, I give you a meal plan, I give you a food list, and then it is up to you to figure out how you want to create your best diet. Okay? This is not about me, this is about you. Okay? If you decide to have something during the week that's not on the meal plan, you don't have to message me and tell me that. Okay? You don't have to, um, uh, uh, you know, you don't have to, I don't know if it makes you feel better by letting me know that maybe you didn't have a good week, but I get it, but at the same time, you have to figure that out on your own because it has to be your diet. Because I can't stress your life. Because like last week, I stressed everyone's life. And when I stress other people's life, then that takes a toll on my own mind and on my own stress. And then I end up eating food that I don't want to eat. And I already have kids stressed in my life, and my husband's stressed in my life, and growing my business is stress in my life, and I ship my products and it's stress in my life, and I have a ton of stress. So I love you all, but please understand I'm only one person. And for you to message me and tell me, hey, I can't come to class today because I have a doctor's appointment, like, that's on you. If you can't make it to class, don't, do replay later. I'm I'm just kidding. I'm really overwhelmed after this weekend because there's so many people and I'm trying to navigate this fitness life, social media, and coach at the same time. So it's just, okay? So what equipment you always need is the same equipment we use all the time. Food is food. You have the meal plan. If it's not on the meal plan, it's best to avoid it, but life happens, and if you're gonna eat pancakes, then you eat pancakes, right? And then we just move on and do it again, okay? So that's it. You know what I'm saying? Everyone has something, and that's okay. It's just, eat your way to fit is to eat your way to fit with the tools that you have, which is in the ebook, right? So I'm not drinking coffee creamer today because coffee creamer is not on the meal plan, and there's 20 messages on my Instagram with people asking me why I'm not drinking coffee creamer. And I am so bad, like I want to reply to everybody. And I just had to like close my eyes and just delete, and create a video for all to see why I'm not drinking coffee creamer. I've been following this coach, and he is so good about this, and I really want to try and learn how to do that. This dude says, send me a message on Instagram, and then I will do my best to respond to you, or I will create a video. And I was on his YouTube channel, and he creates videos. And I was like, oh, maybe that's what I need to do. Because, my social media is growing, and eventually it's going to get difficult to reply to everybody, right? I end up spending most of my time on my phone responding to one person at a time. That's why I created a group business. So then, because I'm one person, it's like when I go to New York to visit my family and friends, I'm one person and I have like 50 family and friends. So I make them come to one restaurant for me to see everybody versus me going to different parts of New York to go see each person individually. Like that's challenging, right? And I'm also trying to get my VA involved more. I don't think I have been doing a good job. Like, I don't know why I'm running home from school and I get on my computer to invite you to class. Like, you all know the same link, right? But I'm still going on the computer. I want to make sure you get the invitation. I want to make sure I invite you. And then this morning, I'm like, why am I doing this? She could do that. Like, she could do so much more, then so that way I could spend more time someplace else. Anyway, all right. Maybe if I hadn't had, no, see, still haven't gotten a microphone. See, just more work I need to do. I know, I still need to get a microphone. Is this hard? Is this hard to hear me? Okay. I still have your text, Janine. Jacqueline, are you on? Or just, can you text me later, remind me to get a microphone? See? Too much. Oh, wow. All right.